Hey guys, this is your ghost sign here. Happy National Ceiling Fan Day. Let's give respect to all the ceiling fans out there and let's cause no drama. So without further ado, let's start the high speed. This fan buzzes a lot. Medium speed. Just keep in mind that my Roblox fans, I will only turn them on high, because I do not have enough time to show them on all speeds. Now to the second SMC UB42. Medium speed. Low speed. This fan buzzes when it's on low speed sometimes. On to the next fan. This is my personal SMC B42. Let's start up on high. This fan goes really slow and buzzes a lot. On to the next fan. This is the last fan of my house. Start up on high. Blows a good amount of air. Even though this fan was made from King of Fans, it's decent for this size of the room. This band buzzes sometimes. We can hear it just a little bit. That's it for this special of National Ceiling Fan Day on real life. Now next is my Roblox game. Then I'm going to show them in the same video. Thanks for watching. And up next is the Roblox videos.